Welcome to Alberta, a province in the heart of Canada, where the vastness of the wilderness is truly breathtaking. From towering snow-capped peaks to rolling grasslands that stretch as far as the eye can see, Alberta is a land of dramatic contrasts, shaped by ancient geological forces and home to a rich tapestry of life. Join us now as we journey through this remarkable landscape, exploring its hidden wonders and encountering the creatures that call it home. Let us begin our adventure in the very heart of this wild domain. Here, in the western reaches of Alberta, the very earth seems to reach for the heavens, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape. These are the Canadian Rockies, a majestic mountain range that forms the backbone of the continent, stretching over 3,000 miles from British Columbia to New Mexico. Jagged peaks, sculpted by the relentless forces of ice and wind, pierce the clouds, standing as timeless sentinels over the land. Their slopes cloaked in dense forests of pine and spruce, these mountains are a sanctuary for countless species of flora and fauna. Crystal-clear rivers, fed by glacial meltwater, carve their way through valleys, creating lifelines that sustain the diverse ecosystems. Their waters teeming with life, these rivers are home to a variety of fish and other aquatic creatures. This is a land of superlatives where the scale and grandeur of nature are on full display, offering endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Banff National Park, a jewel in the crown of the Rockies, beckons with its turquoise lakes, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in its natural beauty. Cascading waterfalls and the iconic image of Moraine Lake create a picturesque setting that captivates all who visit. Further north, Jasper National Park, even larger and wilder, offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time, where nature reigns supreme. Here, amidst the towering peaks and pristine valleys, we find creatures perfectly adapted to this challenging environment, from mountain goats to the elusive grizzly bear. Leaving the towering peaks behind, we venture eastward, where the land gradually flattens into a seemingly endless expanse of golden grasslands. These vast fields, bathed in sunlight, create a mesmerizing golden sea that stretches out in all directions. These are the prairies, a landscape shaped by wind and weather, where the grasses sway rhythmically with the breeze, stretching as far as the eye can see. The horizon seems to blend seamlessly with the sky, creating a boundless vista. Here, the sky reigns supreme, an immense dome that stretches from horizon to horizon. The vastness of the sky is a constant reminder of the openness and freedom of the prairies. Though seemingly barren at first glance, the prairies are teeming with life. A closer look reveals a rich tapestry of flora and fauna adapted to this unique environment. Herds of bison, once nearly hunted to extinction, now roam free, their presence a symbol of resilience and recovery, their hooves drumming a primal rhythm across the land. The sound of their movement is a powerful reminder of the natural cycles that have shaped this land for centuries. Prairie dogs, their calls echoing across the grasslands, are the sentinels of the prairie, maintaining a vigilant watch from their elaborate burrows. Their complex social structures and behaviors are a fascinating aspect of prairie life. And in the south, a geological anomaly interrupts the flat expanse rising on Stone Provincial Park. This park is a striking contrast to the surrounding grasslands. Here, the Milk River has carved a path through the prairie, creating a unique landscape of cliffs and valleys, exposing sandstone cliffs adorned with ancient petroglyphs which tell the stories of the people who have lived here for thousands of years, a testament to the human presence in this land for millennia. These carvings are a window into the past, offering insights into the lives and beliefs of the early inhabitants of the prairies. Water, the lifeblood of this land, is never far away in Alberta. Hundreds of lakes, each a sparkling jewel set amidst the landscape, reflect the ever-changing moods of the sky. In the shadow of the Rockies, Pyramid Lake, its placid surface mirroring the towering peak for which it is named, offers a scene of unparalleled tranquility. Further north, Moraine Lake, its deep blue waters stretching for miles, winds its way through a valley carved by glaciers, a testament to the immense power of nature. And high in the alpine meadows, countless smaller lakes fed by melting snow provide a vital source of water for the creatures that call these heights home. These lakes and waterways are not merely scenic wonders. They are vital ecosystems teeming with fish, amphibians, and a myriad of other creatures that depend on them for survival. Venturing south, the landscape transforms once more, the lush greenery giving way to a parched and otherworldly terrain. Here, in the heart of Alberta's badlands, erosion has sculpted the earth into a surreal landscape of canyons, hoodoos, and otherworldly formations. The forces of wind and water have stripped away the layers of time, exposing the fossilized remains of creatures that once roamed this land millions of years ago. This is the realm of the dinosaurs, and the Royal Tyrrell Museum, nestled in the heart of the Badlands, stands as a testament to their reign. Here, amidst carefully preserved skeletons of Albertosaurus and other prehistoric giants, we catch a glimpse of a world long vanished, a reminder of the immense scale of geological time. Throughout Alberta's diverse landscapes, a remarkable array of creatures thrives, each adapted to its particular niche in this grand ecosystem. From the dense forests to the open grasslands, every corner of Alberta is teeming with life. In the rugged peaks of the Rockies, mountain goats, their hooves clinging precariously to sheer cliffs, navigate the treacherous terrain with astonishing agility. These nimble climbers are a testament to nature's ingenuity. Moose, the largest members of the deer family, browse on willow branches in the valleys, their massive antlers a testament to their strength and dominance in these lush environments. These majestic creatures are often seen wading through wetlands, their presence a vital part of the ecosystem. And in the dense forests, the elusive grizzly bear, a symbol of the wild, roams in search of food, its presence a reminder of the raw power of nature. These solitary giants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitat. Their foraging habits help disperse seeds and nutrients, fostering a healthy forest ecosystem. But it is perhaps in Elk Island National Park, a refuge for both grazers and predators, that we witness the true diversity of Alberta's wildlife. This sanctuary offers a glimpse into the intricate web of life that sustains these animals. Here, herds of elk, their massive antlers clashing during the autumn rut, share the grasslands with plains bison, their shaggy coats protecting them from the winter chill. The park is a living testament to the resilience and adaptability of wildlife. The elk, with their impressive antlers, engage in dramatic battles for dominance, a spectacle that draws nature enthusiasts from far and wide. Meanwhile, the plains bison, with their thick, shaggy coats, endure the harsh winters, embodying the spirit of survival in the wild. Covering vast swathes of Alberta, from the foothills of the Rockies to the northern reaches of the province, are forests of immense scale and importance. These are the lungs of the planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen we breathe. In the south, dense stands of lodgepole pine, their tall, straight trunks, reaching for the sky, dominate the landscape. Further north, the boreal forest, a vast expanse of spruce, fir and aspen, stretches towards the horizon, its stillness broken only by the sound of the wind whispering through the trees. These forests are not merely collections of trees. They are complex ecosystems, home to a myriad of creatures, from the tiny red squirrels that scamper amongst the branches to the great horned owls that hunt silently in the night. Alberta's climate is as varied as its landscapes, shaped by its location in the heart of North America and the dramatic topography of the land. Long, cold winters with temperatures often plunging far below freezing blanket the province in a thick mantle of snow. But spring arrives with a rush, melting the snow and transforming the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of green. Summers are short but intense, with long days and warm temperatures that bathe the prairies in golden light. And autumn, a fleeting season of breathtaking beauty, paints the forests in hues of gold, crimson and russet before the onset of winter. Unique to this region are the Chinook winds, warm, dry currents that sweep down from the Rockies, melting the snow and causing dramatic temperature swings, sometimes as much as 40 degrees Fahrenheit in a matter of hours. Recognizing the importance of preserving its natural heritage for future generations, Alberta has established an extensive network of parks and protected areas, encompassing a remarkable diversity of landscapes and ecosystems. These range from the iconic national parks of Banff and Jasper, where strict regulations protect the delicate balance of nature, to smaller provincial parks and recreation areas that offer opportunities for outdoor enthusiasts to connect with the wild. But conservation efforts extend beyond the boundaries of designated parks. Throughout the province, ranchers, farmers and other landowners are working to manage their land in a sustainable way, ensuring that the delicate balance of nature is maintained for generations to come. This commitment to conservation is a testament to the deep connection between the people of Alberta and the land they call home. From the rugged peaks of the Rockies to the rolling grasslands of the prairies, from the sparkling lakes to the fossil-rich badlands, Alberta offers a journey of discovery unlike any other. Whether you seek adventure in the great outdoors, a glimpse into the distant past, or simply a moment of tranquility amidst breathtaking scenery, Alberta's natural wonders will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. So come, answer the call of the wild and experience the magic of Alberta for yourself.